Hello creative friends, welcome back to Color Splash Studio where teaching meets creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful interactive flower model that explains the worlds or parts of a flower in the most simple and fun way. Whether you're a student making a project or a teacher looking for an engaging classroom teaching aid, this flower model will make learning come alive. So here's what you'll need. Some colored chart papers, yellow, orange, red, green, white, scissors, glue stick, pencil, rulers and sketch pens. All simple materials you can easily find at home or school. Step 1. Cut the flower petals. Take bright colored sheets. I have chosen red and orange. Draw and cut two semicircles, one big and one small. On the straight edge, make scallops to represent petals. These form the corolla or the petal whorl. Step 2. Prepare the inner information strip. Cut a yellow strip about 7 into 30 centimeters dimension. Then draw and cut an oval strip. Open to get 7 joined ovals. This will be our information pull-out strip. Step 3. Make the stem and leaves. Take green paper. Cut a long green strip for the stem. Take 2 small square sheets of your desired size. Fold it in half. Draw half a leaf and cut it out. Open to get full leaves. You can also add veins with a green sketch pen to add details to the leaf. Step 4. Make and add the beetle decoration. From red paper, cut 2 small circles. Draw a beetle on white art paper and color it. Then cut the beetle. Step 5. Draw and cut the sepals or the calyx. Take a green paper. Draw a semicircle of the same size as the bottom of the flower. Make a zigzag pattern on the straight edge and cut the calyx. Step 6. Glue the parts of the flower and the information strip inside the flower. Glue the petals, the calyx, the oval pull-out strip, the stem and the leaves. Next, assemble the beetle. Glue its parts together. Draw black spots on its wings and glue it on the oval pull-out strip. The rest will fold neatly under the flower and can be pulled out during teaching. A fun detail to catch the attention of your learners. Step 7. Write the flower parts and its functions. On each oval, you can write the names and the functions of each whorl of the flower, beginning from the receptacle or the thalamus, which holds all the parts together, then the calyx, which protects the bud, the corolla or the petals, which attract the pollinators, the gynoecium or the carpel, or also known as the pistil, which contains the ovary and the ovules, the androecium or the stamens, which produce the pollen grains, and also you can add an extra fun fact. Now your interactive flower model is ready. The petals act like a flap. The yellow pull-out strip shows each whorl one by one. Perfect for classroom teaching, science exhibitions, or school project. If you enjoyed making this colorful flower model, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Color Splash Studio for more creative projects and teaching aids. Tell me in the comments if you like me to make more models on plants, animals, or science concepts, and I'll bring them to life for you. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep blooming.